Welcome to Helsinki, Finland. We are at the SME Assembly, the premier European event dedicated to entrepreneurs. The main topic this year was sustainability. The idea this year is to understand why those who are betting on green growth are making the right choice, how they are receiving support and funding, and what challenges do they face. It also outlines the tremendous opportunities offered by this sector. SMEs, which represent 99.98% of European companies, need to adapt a new philosophy. This is the opinion of Janez Potocnik, who is highly involved in promoting circular economy models.
You don't need car, you need mobility. If you think it in that way, you can create new types of incentives. I'm talking of new way of thinking, new opportunities, new things which we have to rethink.
This is exactly the idea behind this Finnish company. It has launched both a new technology and a material that replaces plastic packaging. In addition, the product can be adopted with no major investment to all existing production lines. Composed of wood fiber, it looks like paper but is as resistant as plastic and as soft as textile. The potential market is phenomenal.
It's a market where roughly 30 million tons of different types of materials, most of it being plastic films, are used annually.
In the past 2 years, turnover at this SME has increased tenfold, and the workforce has grown from 10 to 20 employees. And there is still great potential for more growth. But to achieve this, they will have to access new funding. Leading economist Mariana Mazzucato believes the rules governing funding must evolve to meet the needs of companies who are leading the way in the sector.
The entrepreneurs that we need for a circular economy, maybe they need 10-year, 15-year type of investment. So the key thing is patient finance. Second, we need to welcome risk-taking. To learn how to ride a bicycle, you need to fall off the bicycle many times. And if we penalize failures, we will not get a new type of economy.
The European Commission, which organized the event, is about to launch its Green Deal, an ambitious plan that aims to make Europe the first carbon-neutral continent by 2050, and which should come with concrete measures for entrepreneurs.
To explain the same things.
I think the three, in a way, new big elements which we have to address is the sustainability, it's digitization. And actually the two often go together because sometimes if you digitize, you can become more sustainable. And then it's a completely new setup in terms of international trade patterns.
The meeting was also an opportunity to showcase several successful initiatives. This year, it is a project from the Netherlands, which won the grand prize, the European Enterprise Promotion Awards. GreenPack iLab is an innovation hub which aims to support entrepreneurs who are driven by circular and sustainable values. Proof green growth really is on the rise.